Hello guys, let's see how we can define a case class and a case object in Scala. In this tutorial, we can see about case classes. Scala case classes are just like an regular classes you are defining. Instead of that regular class, it is immutable and by default, it can be used for pattern matching. It uses equal methods to compare the instances structurally. All the parameters listed in the case classes are immutable and public by default. Let's see a syntax for this case class. Parameters over here. This is how we are. This case class is the keyword to declare the case class, which means like this is the main thing before we need to declare a case class. Let's see what's the purpose of the case class in Scala. I'm taking out this class. Can give this okay, sample case class. Okay, I'm giving a parameter as integer. Then okay, I'm calling this class over here. I'm taking this method. We need to pass the parameters, right? So I'm keeping it 45, 55 over here. This is how you create an object for a case class. Case class. Let's print it out and check how it works. Checking it. Let's compile this and run this. What it throws is an illegal startup pattern. What's wrong with this one? Expected equal but found is okay. What's actually over here is illegal sort of expression. Okay, what was the problem here is the object which I have given here over here for a variable is taken as it's the Scala compiler is reading as we are going to define one object over here. So I'm taking this keyword over here and I'm assigning some variable x is and save it over here and save and run it. You can see this it shows clearly the thing which we have passed through it. This is how you are creating a case class and creating an object and accessing the values over main method. Let's these case classes supports pattern matching, so you can use that in patterns. Let's see an example of case class using pattern matching. Here I'm going to declare one trait. Trait is nothing but uh, mm, how can we say, the trait is like an interface in like in Java. This parenthesis, this abstract methods is optional in Scala. You can either give it as you wish, or yeah, we cannot give it. What I'm doing over here is I'm extending this trait. It is one, two. Let's differ these classes by its parameter. And then we can create object for these parameters. Let's write one method def as parameter as this trait, and then giving one the variable I'm trying to match it. Okay. Here I'm going to give this function and its parameter. And is amount in value. And then do plus G. Then here I give some another case. These case classes are nothing but switch cases in Java or any other languages. The first one has only one parameter. And the last case class contains 3 parameters. And then over here we can call these methods. Passing the parameters. Okay. Let's check this. Let's see what it is. It shows that warning sample has a main method with parameter type array string, but sample will not be runnable program. Okay, it shows that okay, trait and object as the same. Is let check whether this program is running or not. Yeah, it ran perfectly. The only warning it shows is the interface, like the trait which we have given and this sample object which we have given as the same name. So it shows that it is the same problem like a diamond problem which we face in Scala in Java. So if we want to avoid this warning, we can change this sample as sample interface. Let's copy this and save it. Let's compile and check whether it shows the same warning over here. It shows, yeah, if I were to change this over here and save it, again compile it. You can see this, the warning which has thrown before is resolved over here. Yeah, you can see this. We have done the pattern matching with the help of case classes. If you want, you can call methods over case classes with the help of this pattern matching. Okay.